So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. But in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can solve the issue of slow startup problem of your laptops or computers that is running on Windows. Now, there are multiple other methods, but the basic method is stopping the startup application that may cause the laptop to start slower. You can easily turn off those startup applications just by going into a start menu and search for Task Manager right there and open the Task Manager. Now here in the task manager, go to the section of startup apps. Now make sure the application that are not required is set to disabled. For example, the WhatsApp is set to disabled and the Microsoft Team is set to disabled. Just simply right click over there and make sure that application that you are not using much is disabled. So what it does, whenever the laptop start, it will not require you to start that particular application, and that will definitely result in your laptop to become very fast booting. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.